everybody? How y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dung Yaad. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. All my new subscribers, special welcome. Thank you so much for making it West Indian delights. Long time, all of my family members, manners and respect, big up on yourself, eh? Now today what we're gonna do for you, hello. Father's Day is coming up and there's nothing in the air. There's nothing that is happening for the fathers. I am not pleased, y'all. So today we are going to make a plate, just a plate. We're plating something for dad. Hello, there are some real good fathers out there. There are some real good fathers and we want to salute them on the Jamaican cooking journey. And our theme, the Jamaican cooking journey Father's Day theme is what called, camera girl, what is it?
Big him up and fix him up.
Okay, big him up and fix him up. That is the theme for the Jamaican cooking journey fathers, the Father's Day Jamaican cooking journey theme. Big him up. We have big them up and right now we're about to fix them. So we're making a plate for dad. So for dad, we're gonna need some, just like two small. If dad eat enough, you have to get another one. Cause dad good at eat a lot. And if he eat a lot, him just eat a lot. We have a little piece of bone here. So you're gonna need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts for dad. Well clean and all of that. So we wanna cut them in some little, nice little, chunks like these. As we're gonna make that a nice little plate, like a nice little Chinese takeout plate. So we are we're fixing that up, okay y'all. And there are some good daddy out there, some of them out there, what them I do. Can I say something to y'all? Wow, this is a little uninvited guest. I don't know how he got inside here, family. Can I say something? These were washed, okay? So, can I say something to you? You have some daddies out there. Them pressing uniform. You know the Jamaican uniform, them with the pleat? Yeah, them doing just that. They're combing hair. They're putting ribbons in here. Okay, now. Let us get our hands washed. Still have to go back again. Okay. Now we've got that little, remember we're making just a plate for that. That's this amount. I've got here a nice little soda paste. This is like a little herbs. I'll tell you what I put in there. We'll put it in the description for you. Okay? So, and we just grated it and we get a little beat out. Cause look here, I not have no food processor. Okay, I was on the road today and I saw a very nice food processor. So I'm gonna try to see if I can work around that one. Cause honestly, I swear to God, we need a food processor on the Jamaican cooking journey. What do you say? So we're seasoning up this little chicken for that. We're gonna go season up our chicken and come back, okay? Okay, now family, we just finished seasoning our chicken. But can I say something to you? Season your chicken how you want. That's why I went off camera. Season your chicken the way you want to. But we're gonna leave in the description of this video what we use to season our chicken. You saw me put that little paste there. So I added a little pimento powder, I might think that, and a little paprika powder to give it this color, and a little bit of rosemary. So I'm leaving what I did in the description, that if you would like to do it my way, you can go about that, doing that, okay? Now we have also some oil over here being preheated, and we're gonna put this little chicken. Remember, it's just one plate, So we're gonna put this little chicken in here to start cooking off on medium. It's breast, and we want to get it all juicy. So it's there on the medium. We're gonna leave it to cook off. We're gonna be cooking a pack of ramen chicken flavor, that is, okay? So we're gonna leave to do just that. We have a few slices of beets here that has been slightly steamed up. We've got right here a little corn and all of that. We are going to make a little sauce, but we will not do that off camera. we'll return to show you, because we want a nice little sauce to make. So I'll be showing you definitely in depth what I'll be using to make this sauce, to have this chicken breast coming soft and juicy. So when we come back, our chicken breast will be cooked off, ramen will be cooked, and of course we'll be adding a base to that plate. You'll see what the base will be when we return. Okay, now family, this was just like stir fried. That's what we saw. We cook the chicken. We cut the chicken so small, bite-sized pieces, and all of that. And it was just done openly on almost low, a little less than medium. So we just did it like that, and it's still on the low now. We don't want it come too dry. Now what we want to make for you is a little sauce. We want to have this nice little sauce. So it's just one plate, you know. We're just making a plate for that. So we're gonna put a little soy sauce in here. We want to have the chicken a pretty color, and I'll leave in the description how much. We want to use a little worcestershire to gig up this thing a bit. So we're gonna put a little of it too. To this we're gonna add a little white cooking wine. If you have the red one, you could go ahead if you have the red, whatever. Or if you got some balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar has a little sweet taste to it. And we're gonna put a little bit of what is this thing? Oyster sauce. And to that we're gonna put about a teaspoon of brown sugar. So if you use the balsamic vinegar, you wouldn't have to use the brown sugar. So right here we want to stir and stir until we get this all dissolved. So you want to have your sauce looking something all like this. You might not put all, so you're going to turn your heat back right up now to play coming up. So it has this little body. You might not use all of this, and I'll show you. Put a few tablespoons over it, and I'm going to show you the color that you're going to get on this medium to low flame. So you're coating it up now with that nice little sauce, that on the spot homemade sauce. Yes, and this is looking really pretty. I think Dad would love this. Now that we have the color and we have a little bit of the sauce in here, right at this point you want to get it down to the lowest you can. We don't want it to dry out, so we're going to get it right back down to low. So this is what you have. This is the nice pretty color that you got for your chicken going on right there. Right over here we have our little ramen being cooked, and it was left. Okay, we might just need like a little oil. It was left on the flame, so we might just need a little oil to loose it up. Just a touch of oil, nothing much. Yeah, to loose it up. Please get a better. This is like a little cheap one then. You see, please to get a better one. Or you want to get some egg noodles, do it. So you want to get them fluffy and look, you know, loose them up. We're not ready for it, just showing you what we have. That is there, staying all nice and sweet and all of that. So at this point we're gonna put in our little bell peppers, but we ain't gonna turn it, you know. We want bell peppers to stay in there and let, you know, it be, they must be tasting while eating the chicken, so they will just be like, you know, all crunchy. We don't want any much heat on them. So if you have red and yellow that can bring out the color, then you can really go with that. This is what I have, so I'm using it. Look at this nice texture on the chicken, this nice glossiness. Okay, now we are gonna fix this plate with a base. We need an head of pak choy, or probably some people would say bok choy. You need to leave this in a little water, nice clean pretty leaves. You need to leave this in a little salty water in a huge container, because we're not gonna open it out. So as soon as you leave it for probably about 7 minutes, you pick it out, you take it out the water, and then you wash it thoroughly under running water. Hold it up like this, make sure it's properly cleansed. So we're gonna take off just the little thing right there, and we're gonna open the bok choy like this. So you wanna have it coming down like this. So you want to have this on it, and when you open it, you will see that it has been properly cleansed and all of that. Okay, Now that we have the chicken ready, we have got the ramen ready, and we have made our sauce. We have got right here our little sliced beets that has been cooked off, and we have, I don't know, this corn is not the perfect color. Why, I don't know. I just cut it from the tin, but I don't know. Okay, and we're gonna put to this a little soft top egg. So we are gonna go now and get our container ready to do our bok choy when we return. We are back, family, and we're gonna steam off these bok choys as they are, just as they are. So you're gonna wanna wide, something wide, because you're trying your best to make them come out whole. Not steam, we're gonna stir fry them off. Oh, so you need something wide. This is a little chopped garlic, a little chopped ginger, and a little rosemary just to flavor the oil. Okay? And we're doing this on like almost the IE. So we put it right in there. So you need something that you can work around with, okay? So you're going to be stirring them off like this, on like medium. I said I, but I don't think so, because you don't want these the garlic and the ginger, all of that. So when we return, all these, you're stirring them off like this, you're stir frying them off. So be gentle, because you want them looking all, you don't want them burning. So if you see that the heat is too high, you please turn it down. Openly, we stir frying them off like this, okay? So when we return, this should be done, and then you'll see how we are progressing, okay, y'all? Family, this is how you want your bok choy looking. So you get them cook off like that, and after you finish cooking them, you would just probably just leave them in the skillet right there, huh? Okay, if you want to set it at a different way, you can, but let it look uniform. And at this point, if you had some unsalted cashews, you could probably use it. I don't have none, so that's why I told you don't let these burn. So now that these weren't burned, I just putting them in there. All right. Okay. This is what we have. We have got right over here our egg on the medium, just being like fried off real soft and nice. That is what we're going to use to garnish it. So we got more little we have fix up, remember it's a big up and fix up. So we have a little ramen, so we're just going to use it right here. We're laying like something, and maybe that could have get a little more noodle, but we never have no more than the one. So if you have some more, you put it. So I put it over like, just let hello, just fix up daddy, make him look our grandfather. So daddy alone, okay? So at this point now, we have a little leaf back sauce, so you can just drizzle a little over it, because it have a nice little taste in, and we put a little sugar in there and all of that. Don't do it too much, so when you do it like this now, when he's eating, it will just mix up, okay? All right. At this point, we are ready to put some chicken. Nice chicken, all of that. Please lay it right over. Let it look nice, let it look presentable. We strive for presentation on the Jamaican cooking journey. I told you this was just like one serving, one plate. You need to watch your egg. You don't want your egg getting all to whatever. I did tell you, this is for one plate. Now look at that beauty. Now right over here, you want to just like sort of flip your egg. Okay, your egg is flipped, and it have that nice, give it a nice little crisp to the side. So our egg is flipped, and it is there. You can turn your stove, your heat off at this point. Right here now, we want to put a few slices of beets. Put a few slices of beets somewhere where it looks presentable. You don't necessarily have to put it where I put it. You're fixing up dad, granddad, father-in-law, and you know it. You know the holy pop. Okay, you weren't supposed to go there. So you fix it up and let it have that nice little look with these. You can use something else to replace the beets. I'm just using beets because I want to get like some vegetables. I want my husband to get some veggies in. So you can use, probably you could use like some mushrooms. I'm not big on mushrooms, so I wouldn't know. You see what I'm saying? Now, you want to come now and you want to put some corn. to the side, baby. Big him up. What after you big him up, what you do, camera girl?
Fix him up.
This look like we have fix him up? Yes or no? Talk loud.
Yes.
Okay, don't overdo anything. Okay. Right here and right now, you would like to come right here. Lift this little princess, drain the excess, and put it right on top. Camera girl, what have you got to say about that?
It looks good.
Hello Paris, you got to please to comment. You got to tell me out of me and camera girl which one did better. Camera girl did hers. Now this is mine. Okay y'all? Let me present to you. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your Father's Day kitchen. It is just Dad's plate. We will find a name for it, okay? So please Dad, do enjoy. May big up all the daddy them. Yes. The dads that are combing hair. Those that are pleating uniform. I only know the Jamaican pick me uniform with the pleat right round. Oh, my husband, you remember that, camera girl? He would press our uniform in the mornings when I had to be in the kitchen working to make $1 and all of that and so on. Oh, can I tell you, there are some really good fathers out there and they are being underestimated. Me not see nobody I treat them good. Me they on the road and me are looking at the store them. Me not see nobody I big up no daddy. So I'm doing this on the Jamaican cooking journey. Please join me and say something. Cliff, big up yourself. I saw your comment that you posted. I want to send a shout out to TripleLLL. Stevie also. He's on the train and also he's on the cooking channel with us here. He has a channel. He's a young Jamaican man and he has a channel. Go check him out. We're going to leave the link or the name of his channel or the link to his channel in the description. Once more, from my kitchen to yours, it's your Father's Day plate. Please do. Daddy Uno, enjoy yourself. I'm not through. I've got something else coming up. Not on this video. One more I want to squeeze in. I want to squeeze in one more. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, remember to turn on your notifications. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Aye, Daddy, when you eat this plate of food, you need to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the Jamaican cooking journey. That's how we do it over here. We big them up and we fix them up. Okay, y'all, post notifications. Shout out goes to who, camera girl?
Gabriel.
Joshua Gabriel. Gabriel, big up yourself. My hope is that daddy, you know, because this would be for you, baby. Now, remember, it's just it. Thank you so much. Love you. Debbie from Dung, I said bless. This has got to be no stress.